Hayward University doing study gag.
I study at National University of San Marcos. What about you?
I study at Peruvian University of Applied Science.
Nice. What career are you studying?
I study business administration because I work to work I am international company in the future and you.
I am studying system engineering because I like technology a lot.
What subjects do you take semester?
I take programming, calculus, physics, and English. I have many assignments every week. What about you?
I take marketing, accounting, administration, and communication. Most in my class are interesting.
Uh, Do you have many exams?
Yes, you have I love I sense employees, but no many pretensions.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My marketing teacher is my favorite. Because she explains clearly and speak volatility. What about your?
My programming teacher is very good because he teaches patiently and helps students frequently.
What activities do you usually do in class?
We work in groups and do presentation and solve exercise quickly. And sometimes you do fine experiments in the lab. And you?
You discuss business sizes, participate debates, and play projects creatively.
What do you do in your free time on campus?
I usually go to the library. I drink coffee like my friends. There are many students there agree at the moon. What about you?
I play soccer and sometimes study in the computer like because it is quiet.
Do you like your university life?
Yes, I do because I have good friends and interesting class.
My two university like big street food, but it's also sculpting. Thank you.
Thank you, Alexander.